Another way to draw attention to the words in your document is to use them in a list, and once they're in a list like this, what we have listed here is the applications, or at least some of the applications, apps in Office 2007. And notice that I have a new paragraph. If I show the formatting marks here, a new paragraph between each one. And what I can do is I can turn this list into something a little more visually exciting by using the paragraph grouping here in the Home tab, and there are my list options here. I can either create a bulleted list or a numbered list, and of course the screen tips tell you exactly what they're going to be. Bullet, start a bulleted list, choose the arrow to choose different bullet styles. So let's take a look at what that would look like. Click on the drop down, and you get your bullet library here. So they can be a bullet, they can be little circles. I don't know what that's called. That's been around for a while. Checkbox, Windows? I don't know. Checkbox. And then you can also define new bullets. So you want to make a bullet out of a picture that you have on your hard drive? Go right ahead. You can search text, and again, there's lots of different pictures you can use for your bullets. How about that one? And then OK. So a little globe-ish looking thing there. Same thing with numbered lists. You can change your mind anytime. You can choose bullet library none. So you can indent everything, as we saw, without actually applying bullets. And then if you want to undo the bullets, just check that again, have all the text selected, and then just toggle that off. Same thing with numbering. Numbering is going to work like this. Oops, I right-clicked accidentally. Here we go. A click, and it converts that list to numbered text, as you can see. And of course, you have a number library similar to what you have with the bullet library. So if you want to change your numbering to look like that, or ABCs, or Roman numerals, then go right ahead. And like when you create your bulleted list, you can define new number formats as you please. So none, 1, 2, 3, Roman numerals there. Here's something interesting. I think that's called ordinals, first, second, third, and then OK. And there we go. Now, as a last item here, I'm going to undo, actually, I'm going to select everything first and then undo my numbering. What I'm also going to do for you in this module here is I'm going to erase all that text, and I'm going to show you how you can create either a bulleted list or a numbered list as you type, and it's very, very easy. You just start typing a 1 and then hit the space bar, and it automatically indents and creates a numbered list. Now, notice that you also have this autocorrect option over here. This is how you can stop automatically creating numbered lists, control your auto format options. That brings up a dialog box so you can undo this behavior if you want to, and you can undo the automatic numbering that just happened. But that's one way that you can create numbered lists as you go. Now if I press enter to start a new paragraph, it gives me a number 2, and then I can start my next entry. If I want to do the same thing with bulleted lists, as I undo everything here, all you have to do is use the star. So Shift 8 and make a bulleted list, and there you go. So bullet 1, bullet 2. And that's how you can create these on the fly without having to use the mouse and without having to use the ribbon at all.